In this video, I'm going to talk about color contrast ratios. Color contrast ratios check the background and the foreground color or the text in order to show that it's readable for the reader. You can choose all different types of colors based on their hex code color. Hex code colors are typically found in documents. Whenever you look at a text and you go to change the text color and you click on the color wheel for custom colors, and you'll notice there's a hex code right here for each color. As I move across, this hex code changes right here at the bottom. This is the hex code you would import into your color contrast checkers for your foreground and your background in order to check to see if it's appropriate. There's lots of color contrast checkers out there. Another one is colors.co. This one also shows you a visual and gives you a star rating and gives you an example on the right. Another one is very visual, and this is called colorcontrast.cc. And in this particular one, you could also do the same thing. Add your hex code here, add your hex code here, and you'll notice that it will automatically change based on whichever hex code you chose. And it will tell you whether it passes or failed. Now, most of the time, however, in presentations, you won't need to do this because they have the accessibility checker built in where you can check accessibility. If there's something wrong with your presentation, for example, color contrast, it will show up over here in the errors. In this case, color contrast is okay, and this presentation is just missing titles and object descriptions. So if you're interested in checking color contrast, find a color contrast checker that works for you and make sure that it passes and does not fail.